Can I give you some honest feedback? Check yourself for a minute. How does it make you feel when someone, even me in this video, says that to you? Do you think, oh shoot, what did I do? Or no, really, I wish you wouldn't give me feedback. Hi, I'm Paul Boucher with Ensight Coaching. At the last Conduit workshop, we took a deep dive into the topic of accountability. It was fun and interesting to hear some honest reflections about how you relate to accountability and what gets in the way. Most business experts agree that a culture of accountability is what separates great companies from those that struggle. In the next workshop, we're going to explore some ways that you can create a culture of accountability in your business by using productive feedback. Unless you can actually talk to your team about where things are working and where they're not in a positive way, productive accountability is going to just be a pipe dream. I hope you'll join us for this workshop and come ready to learn from your peers, share your experiences, and leave with some tools that you can use in your business and your relationships immediately. Join us on July 17th at the Cooper Creek as we take a very hands-on approach to how you can make feedback a productive interaction, and one that you and your team even learn to enjoy. Click the link below and register today. And if you missed the accountability workshop, or you'd just like to watch it again, you can watch the video and download the workbook at the link in this email. I hope I'll see you on the 17th.